The fulfillment latency feature in Sellercloud marks an item requiring additional shipping lead time. For example, you can set the fulfillment latency to 5 days, and a message on your product page on Amazon will explain that processing takes an additional 4 to 5 days for orders from this seller. You can set fulfillment latency either individually per product or in bulk via a file upload. To set fulfillment latency for a specific product, you must go to Catalog and click Manage Catalog. Open your chosen product. Go into the Toolbox and search for Amazon properties. From the shipping panel, uncheck the default option and enter the number of days you want as the lead time to ship. Alternatively, you can use the default fulfillment latency value by checking the default box. Another way is to use a file upload to set fulfillment latency in bulk for several products. Go to Catalog, and click on Tools. Choose Import Product Info and then Bulk Product Update. Generate a template with fulfillment latency for Amazon and fulfillment latency for Amazon. Use default column headers. If you want to use unique values and not the default company latency, choose values between 1 and 30. Set fulfillment latency for Amazon. Use default to false, and update it back to Sellercloud. The next time an inventory update is sent to Amazon, the value will be automatically updated since it gets included in the inventory feed. If you have enabled settings that limit the products included in the inventory feed, only those products will have their latency updated automatically. You'll need to manually revise the other products inventory from the Actions menu. You can also push an update to all products in bulk. Once again, go into the Catalog menu and click Manage Catalog. Select your products and click the Action menu on the right. Then click on Update Inventory on Channel. The default fulfillment latency option is set on a company level from the Settings menu. Go into Companies, Manage Companies and open a company. Head on over to the Toolbox and search for Channels. Go into the Amazon settings, select General Settings, and use the Inventory panel. Set your preferred default fulfillment latency, and it will be applied to all products that have the default box checked. You can temporarily override a lead time to ship set at a product level. If you are away on vacation, instead of setting your account to vacation mode, you can use the global setting to extend the lead time to ship temporarily. This will allow customers to continue purchasing your products while delaying the time to ship until after you've returned. To override the fulfillment latency on a global level, go to the Inventory tab, and enable the Global Fulfillment Latency option. The system will select the lead time to ship for all products based on the longer lead time to ship. If the default has been set to 5 days and the product to 2 days, the latency will be set to 5 days. If, however, the product has been set to 8 days, the lead time to ship will remain at 8 days even though the global setting has been enabled.